Guys, let me tell you what they don't tell you, okay? You can get paid to have fun. The first time I realized this and it happened to me, I was like, what do you mean? Like, what? Anyways, let me give you a backstory because I can be an unserious somebody. So I'm gonna be a little serious today, okay? So obviously I have my social media, my Instagram account, and I'm a girl. I like to go out fine dining. I like to travel. I like to have a good time in nice places. I like to look pretty, dress well, and I take pictures. I always take pictures when I can. If I can't, then I can't. But I take pictures, I post without tagging brands on the beautiful dress I'm wearing, so on and so forth. So the first time that I got a brand deal, I was shook. I was shook because I've been seeing like so many videos of people saying like, oh, the sun is coming out so pretty. Anyways, I've been seeing a lot of videos about, oh, you can get paid, UGC, influencers, blah, blah, blah. And it's not like it didn't seem real to me, but I just felt like you had to put so much effort in, and that really scared me because I'm like, what do you mean? Like, nah, please. I like easy life, okay? I like soft life. And so I was like, you know what I'm gonna do is, because a lot of my dresses, my outfit, my style, me as an individual, I'm very unique and I don't follow trends. So I was like, you know what? Let me be tagging the brands of the outfits I wear. And there's this brand that I'm particularly obsessed with. Like, I usually wear most of the dresses, right? And a lot of people ask me, where do you get your dresses? Where do you get your skirt? Where do you get, so on and so forth. And so I would like tag them and add the link on my story. And so one day I saw another video that was like, oh, don't wait for the brands to come out to you. You go after the brands yourself. And so what did I do? I decided to create like an email template that I was going to send to this brand that day. Tell me this was not faith, okay? This is why faith without works, it don't work, okay? It don't work. I wasn't about to ask for it to be a paid collaboration, just simply a gifted collaboration because you start from somewhere, right? And because I love the dresses so much, just getting the dresses alone would have been sensational. And so I was about to send the email, and because I'm a person who's like, I like gra, like if I think about something, I want to do it right now. I want to get it done now. And something I've learned is that's not always the best way to go about things at all. So I obviously, because I've been training myself a little bit, I took my time. I created that email template. I said I'm going to send it later in the evening after I think about it, review the email again, and so on. And so I then decided to wait. 3 hours later, this was God, okay? 3 hours later, this brand emailed me. They were like, oh, hey Yvonne, so on and so forth. They were talking about collaboration. Not only that, they were talking about a paid collaboration. Whereby I was about to send them an email for a gifted collaboration. They were talking about paid, and I was like, what in the world just happened, baby? We getting paid. But anyways, they were like asking me about, my rate for a reel and a post. That's all. And I was thinking to myself, oh, okay. So of course I took my time again because I don't want to respond to this email very quickly. I want to take my time. I want to get into my thoughts, think about it. Yeah. And so I thought about it, and I did a bit of research as well to see how much am I going to charge for a post and a reel, because I have no idea. I've never got paid for content before. And then I thought about it after doing my research, and I was like, you know what? I'm seeing people talk about 2K for my followers, for my engagement. And I'm like, I wouldn't mind asking them for 2K, but I also don't want to lose this collaboration. I also it's not even fear. It was just more like, I was going to work with them on a gifted basis anyway. So asking them for less than that makes sense. I literally told this brand and said, I will be able to deliver a post and a reel for £750. And they accepted. They were like, perfect. That's amazing. I was like, what do you mean it's perfect? What do you mean it's amazing? But, I didn't really care. I knew my worth anyways, but it was just more like, I never really thought that you could get paid that much. I felt like you had to build a certain relationship with the brand first before they start, paying you such an amount. And I know that if I had asked for more, they definitely would have given it to me. But I was so grateful for the fact that I was about to reach out to them on a gifted basis, and they reached out to me, and they're paying me a certain amount. And this was like the easiest thing for me to do, to deliver a reel and a post, because guess what? I do the exact same thing. So I went out for a lovely dinner, like I always do. I wore the beautiful dress that they sent to me, like I always wear the dresses anyways. I went to a beautiful restaurant, like I always do, took pictures like I always do, and made a reel for another restaurant, like I always do. And it was basically, I did not have to do anything. That's actually how it felt. This is something I already do. Enjoyed a nice dinner, ate, took pictures, and that was it. I didn't have to do too much. And I sent it to them for approval, and they said, "We are obsessed." And I was like, "You're obsessed?" I mean, I'm obsessed, but why are you obsessed? You know, when that little doubt plays in your mind, it's like, you know, obviously they gave me total control of how I wanted the content to be created, because I feel like, you know, a brand coming to you and telling you certain specifics is not a bad thing. Like they told me use certain hashtags, tag them, and that's fine by me, you know. But just in terms of like the setting, I trusted me, and I was like definitely appreciative of that, because, you know, it allowed me to just showcase me. And so when they said, you know, they're obsessed, they approved the caption, I posted, and they paid me. Bear in mind, by the way, they obviously, like a lot of brands, they don't pay till like 60 days after it goes live. When they sent it to me and told me they're gonna pay me in 60 days, I had my doubts a little bit. So of course, naturally, this is why you need to take your time. Don't just jump. Take your time, do some research. I did some research and I found out that that's actually normal. I accepted it, and they paid me exactly 60 days. And now, collaboration. Like I know the works, and it's not, I'm not gonna accept something that's like, you know, gonna expect me to do too much, because I don't feel like I'm at that place yet. I think just showing up as me and just doing exactly what I do, my love for fashion, my love for beauty, my love for skincare, just showing up as authentic me is how I enjoy doing this. Because if I had to do a lot of work, I had to deliver this, it would have been too overwhelming. And so you can have fun and get paid, honey. Okay? You can have fun and get paid. So I will say, if you're like me who just enjoys life, tag those brands. Tag those brands. Answer the questions always. Even before my collaborations, I always answered questions about where my dresses were from, my lip gloss, so on and so forth. But in general, if you're not used to that, you need to start getting used to it. Answer those questions, use it as even content. Like take a screenshot of someone's message and make a reel out of it and show where you got it. Have fun with it and get paid, because this year we are securing that bag, baby. We like to be taken care of, but we also like to take care of ourselves. You know, we like to be taken shopping, but we also like to go shopping by ourselves too, okay? Get that bag, honey.